Hello? For kerella hotline. How this? Beverly, what can I do for you? You think a man is cheating? All man a dog. Nothing new. What can for kerella do for you now? You think his skills are a little bit rusty? Alright. Not your skills. His skill. Make up your mind. For kerella, this is money and time. Your skill rusty, I feel man skill rusty because you call and say the man a fuck pan you. What kind of help? You want me to help you? Or what? He not do the work right. But you just say he's cheating. So if he not do the work right, how anybody want to screw with him? A little girl in my screw out there. Oh, I get you. Then the little girl, they not no sense. And let me tell you something. Then the little girl, out there, them pum loose like Gibraltar. I mean, if you tell you, Beverly, them pum not have no stickity stam. A big woman like me and you have the good type platinum, good, bless up, panache. Anyway, talk to kerella. Let me give you some help. So what you want me to do? You want me to help him fuck better? That gun cost, you know cost kerella don't come cheap. Kerella don't come cheap. Beverly, I tell you. Well, we have different packages, you know. Now then we laugh. We have so much package. What kind of special you want? The microwave special? Or the head pan top pan table special? Or the back shot non special? Or the strip tease, stripper pole special? Which one? Them all around the same price, you know. $1,000 hour, darling. If you want your man for fuck right, send him to me. That's what me get the name for kerella. Let me tell you. Me don't turn him into an expert. No. What you want him to do to you? Tell me. Me will make him dive. No worry. When me finish squeeze for him head in between for me legs then. Just hope so me not suffocate the bitch to death. Me is the best, you know. Me is the best. It worth every dollar you gonna pay me. Me hold him head right there so till he can't breathe and cover his head there. Make him surface the waves. You see why me get the name for kerella? Me not joking, no. And let me tell you something. He would have to stay long, you know. No. If you really want the real deal, you know, me can give him some Manish water and some Guinness stout and cod soup. Make him back strong when me sell him back to you, know, but that's an extra $500, you know. Yeah. All right, me talk to you. Beverly, make sure you call me. Right. Well, let's set up the apartment for Friday night. Yeah. What you like for drink? Rum? Me I got drunk in backside. No say nothing. All right then. Nice doing business with you. Bitch, them for kerella now play.